Welcome back to another episode of Tractor Roy. My name is Trent. We're working on this John Deere 300. Yeah, that's what this is. John Deere 300. We're replacing the back tires on this thing. It's kind of taking up some room in the shop, and it's been in here for long enough that it seems like a good day to work on it. So we're going to do it with this back blade attached still. Just jack it up from the drawbar. Jack stand under there.
I don't know, dog.
And the issue we're running into is this has wheel weights on it, so we don't want to take it off. Oh, and it looks like we're not going to be able to break the bead either. Oh, we got to think about this. So our plan is we're going to try and break it here and see if we can take a hammer and break the rest of the bead off. You ready?
Yeah, I think so.
Doing anything?
No, not really. Keep going.
Hey, we're getting there.
Are we going?
Yep.
Okay. No.
So we'll break the bead with this tool here, attempt to, and then hopefully we can break it off the rest of the way. The back side doesn't have the wheel weight, so it's not as big a deal. And usually we take these tires off to break them, but because this one has a wheel weight, we don't really want to deal with that. So we're going to try and do it on.
Batteries on here?
I got my impact. Like so.
Well, that's what I did.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's got this little... We have a tube left.
Let's go tubeless.
You want it down?
Yeah. Well, right there.
Get in there. Can't go back now.
Oh, we gotta get that block ring off.
Yeah.
I don't know, I'd almost rather that calcium chloride than this wheel weight. Let's use some vice grips on it.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Ready?
Getting this thing in. Oh, it's been packed.
Oh.
Some poor bastard. You'll have to.
Look how many times it's been patched.
Jeez.
At least 3.
Yeah.
Oh no, more than that. There's another one there, and I think there's one under your arm.
Yeah. There's one, two.
Oh my God. So each of these is a patch. There's like,
And then there's 2 more over here.
use like
That
a whole
had to have
package
been
of them.
When they put the tire on, pinched it.
What? Why would you put that many on there and not just give up?
I wonder if I can get. How much is a new tube?
$50 a piece? Oh, the tire's even been patched. Right, right there. Oh, except now I got a tractor in the middle of the shop that doesn't have a wheel. Yeah. Oh, kind of. I just don't want to get hit by a bar popping out.
Oh.
Hey,
I'm kind of just holding it.
you caught me. Back off a bit.
You were kind of moving up it, and I was just following you.
Okay. What a pain.
Oh, yeah. Oh, hang on.
I bet you that lube would help a lot, actually.
Think.
Well, because it might slide off.
We'll get it. Yeah. Want me to go get that lube?
Oh, the wedged on the ground.
Yeah.
Oh, well. Okay.
There you go. Oh. One more.
Ah. It's off. We're going to have to tweak the rim a little bit. Oh, there's tons of patches. Oh, that's a tube patch. They even had a patch in the tire. So our issue is we tore the bead and it was catching on that rim, wasn't letting us pop it over. That sucked. So I'm going to take a break and wait to put on that tire because that one yesterday, I think I'm still worn out from it. So that one has to get put on soon, but I'm going to take a break and do this one instead. This one's for that WD-45. Hopefully it goes a little bit easier. So we stuck these blocks of wood in there a couple weeks ago maybe. Help stretch it out. Help. Well, kind of cold too, but really helps it out. If you're going tubeless, this is totally necessary. Otherwise, it will just like never seat to the bead. You can't ever get that bead to seat because these things are squished in so much. But I think I'm going to throw a tube in this one. So we'll do that. Okay. Sometimes these things kind of suck, but a lot of times it's faster doing it yourself than it is to drive into town. That's the entertaining part. Oh, this tire to go on.
You think?
I think so. Ow! I mean, we're not going to be able to, are we? Once it gets on there. We're trying paste instead of regular lube. Hopefully it doesn't freeze as fast.
definitely putting gloves on next time.
Good. Yeah. So you roll it?
Am I in?
Yeah. Cool. So we gotta roll it again, don't we?
Come on. Don't you got no butt?
Hey!
Yay!
Woo! Halfway there.
At least we know we can get to that part. Now, the real fun.
Hey, is now a bad time to tell you we put the tire on backwards?
Yeah, I saw the arrow. I already looked.
Wouldn't that suck?
Yes.
I said you were barely on that one.
Was I? Felt good.
Or at least in a little better spot. So, as you can see, we took this thing back outside, and I have not changed that tire because it was so miserable after doing that one. So we're going to wait till springtime when it warms up to do it. So I haven't even wanted to look at this thing for the past couple of days because that was horrible. And we still have all these other ones we got to do. The two on this, but we got to find them still. I think that one might be okay, but then the front one needs a new tube put in it. And then the other tire attached to this WD also needs done. That A, we got all the tires for that, but we're going to have to swap them out here soon too. So it's a lot. And for how hard that one was, I don't really want to deal with it. So there we go. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed already, make sure to subscribe and like this video. It helps out a ton. And I hope I'll catch you on the next one.